First, let's define holder in due course. It's a holder who takes for value, takes in good faith, and takes without notice of a claim or a defense to a payment. Well, who does this? Well, not everyone takes or buys up commercial paper, but holders in due course do. That's part of their market. They're involved in buying up commercial paper. Commercial paper can have value. Moving one piece of paper from one side of the desk to the other can make you money in the world of finance if you do your research. Article 3 creates the HTC status for people who are in that market. Let's create a hypothetical around a promissory note and discuss this matter. Suppose you buy a car from me, and I'm the auto dealer, but you don't have the full purchase price, and I say, well, we not only sell a car, think contract, we also can finance your purchase, think promissory note. So for the purchase price, I lend you $10,000 for 5 years at 7% APR, which will cost you about $1,100 in interest. At the end of 5 years, you pay back the $10,000 and the $1,100. So again, check my numbers to make sure I'm right. But a contract and a note are created by us. You have a contract for the sale of the car and a promissory note for the loan. 2 documents. But soon you find problems, let's say, with the car, and it would appear that I've breached my contract or agreement with you, so you stop paying on the second document, that is, the promissory note. You stop paying the note's installments. I'm holding the note, and I say, hey, wait, you need to pay me on the note. And I shake my my note at you, saying pay me, but then you shake your contract back where I've breached it and say, but if I have to pay you under the note, you have to pay me for breaching the contract. In other words, you have a personal defense against the note. And each time I say, pay me the money you owe me under the promissory note, you can say the promise is broken, the car was broken, I have a defense against your promissory note. So go into your reading on 2 areas, which is personal defenses and universal defenses, to learn more about how to get out of paying a promissory note, so to speak. Remember, at this stage in my hypothetical, I am merely the holder of the note. Since I know that there's a problem on the note, in other words, that there's a defense of payment, I don't qualify as an HTC. Nor do I qualify since I didn't take the note for value. I didn't, in other words, buy the note. So at this point, you'll need to pause and read the book on the meaning of take for value and in good faith, which means that you've observed commercial standards, and the phrase without notice, terms that you can readily find. Now, moving forward, let's add to our hypothetical. If I decided I could hold the note for 5 years, sell it now at a discount. Indeed, another party might buy the note for $10,000 and pay me $200. Thus, if I sell your note, I can make $200 selling the paper. Remember, I also made a profit on the sale of the car to you. So let's suppose the new holder can wait 5 years. He then profits the repayment of the $10,000 plus an additional $900 of interest. That's $1,100 minus $200. And the new holder purchased the note for value in good faith without notice of any problems on the note. In other words, the new holder didn't know about my breach of contract on your car. The new holder is an HTC. Immediately, the new holder orders you to pay, and you say, but wait a minute, the car broke, it won't work. The seller, that is the original holder, breached the contract. Well, our question is, what are the rights of that next buyer, the HTC? What status does the HTC have? Is it the same as me, as the original holder? Or does the HTC have more rights than I did in going after the non-payment on the promissory note? Does he have more rights than the holder?